What concerns are driving Rutte to meet Trump amid rising NATO tensions? This unexpected meeting hints at deeper worries about alliance unity and global security that you need to understand. Rutte's decision to meet Trump comes at a time when NATO shows signs of internal strain. Some member states, including the U.S. under Trump's leadership, have pressed allies to increase defense budgets, while others hesitate. These disagreements threaten the cohesion of the alliance, raising concerns about its future effectiveness in deterring global threats. Amid growing tensions with Russia and China, NATO members like the Netherlands feel the pressure to respond collectively. Rutte's meeting with Trump likely aims to reinforce cooperation and ensure the U.S. stays committed to European security, especially given Trump's unpredictable approach to foreign policy. Trump has frequently questioned the value of NATO, causing European leaders to worry about America's commitment. Rutte's talks may focus on clarifying U.S. intentions and securing guarantees that the Netherlands and its allies can rely on America in times of crisis. Beyond security, economic disputes, including tariffs and trade policies between the U.S. and Europe, add layers of complexity. Rutte's engagement with Trump tries to navigate these challenges, aiming to maintain strong transatlantic ties despite political headwinds. Rutte's meeting with Trump shines a light on the fragile state of NATO amid global uncertainty. Understanding these concerns helps you grasp the high stakes behind these diplomatic moves. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.